Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips MG3721 by 77 all-in-one trimmer. This is a trimmer that comes with 7 tools and it performs a lot of functions, trimming functions across 3 areas, mainly the face, the hair and the body, as you can see over here. It has a runtime of 60 minutes. All the detachable parts are washable. It comes with a storage tray, a trimmer, a nose and ear trimmer and 5 detachable combs, as you can see over here. Are there any extra information? None. There are not many more information over here, so let's just open it and see what the trimmer looks like. This is it. This is the user manual. Basically, I'm going to keep this here. This is the warranty card. There you go. This is the international warranty. Let's quickly take a look at the trimmer first. Here we are. This is what the trimmer looks like. It's pretty compact compared to some of the other trimmers of the same price range or the same look even. It has anti-slip grips here. Has a pretty sturdy design. Comes with the white and black color scheme as well. This is the power button. So let's see if it works. It works well. These are your self-sharpening stainless steel blades. And this head is also detachable, like so. This is the standard metallic head trimmer. You can wash this with tap water. Let's go back to the box. This is a power cord, charger for the trimmer. One other thing that we have with this box is this particular tray. This is a great addition. This will hold a lot of stuff. This will hold the trimmer like so, and these compartments are for the different detachable combs and heads. I will go through them, of course, one by one. I'm going to leave this one over here for now and go back to the box. This is your 1mm and 2mm stubble comb. This is your adjustable beard comb, ranging from 3mm to 7. You can change it like so using this knob. You will see the comb moving when you change it. This is a 3mm body comb, and you have a hair comb. Yes, this is your 9mm hair comb. This is nose and ear hair trimmer. This is attachment number 6. That I'm going to put this on here. So along with this trimmer, we have total of 7 tools in this particular box. This is what you find inside the box, containing the Philips MG3721 by 77 all-in-one trimmer. Thank you for watching.